Alright, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Pixel Lab to create a paperback for your books. Alright, so in the previous video I shared with you how you can make your Kindle ebook cover, but then for your paperback you can't use just Pixel Lab because Pixel Lab cannot save your cover as PDF print. Right, it only saves it as image. Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how to go about it. So I believe by now you must have gotten yourself used to Pixel Lab, so I'll just straight up to Pixel Lab. I have a book I want to make the cover. Let's just go to image size. Alright, the dimension of the book in inches is 12.52 by 9.25, but after converting it to pixel is now 1202 by 888. Alright, if you are confused about this, go to my previous video where I showed you how to go about converting from inches to pixel on your phone. Alright, so now just go straight. Now I'll click on this. Now the essence of this is to partition this interface for the cover and the front page. Alright, so if I tap on this, you see that it has divided this gradient into different parts. Now this part now is my front cover, then this part is my back cover. That this is the front and this is the back. Alright, so whatever I'll be designing, if I'm to work on the front, this is what I'll majorly do my designs on. Alright, so let's just do this quickly. Just go to shapes. Alright, remember I'm working with this place as my front. Okay, I'll just quickly do something. I'll just work on any random stuff. Oh shit, sorry. Why do dogs die? Then I'll change it. Just in this something, or let me say, why dogs die. This is just random stuff. If you still don't know what I'm doing, then I would advise you go back to the previous video where I explained how to use this app. Alright, so you see all I'm doing is on this interface here, just on this side. Yeah, okay, so sorry, let me make this. This is something else. No, that color is too sharpy. Okay, this is better. So you see, then let me just save this as image. See, I prefer saving it as ultra so that it will be very bright. Alright, so if you've done this now, you now go over to your Chrome, then go over to Canva. Okay, Then I'll change this to desktop site. Okay. I'll have to. Alright, I'm logged in now. So I'll just click on create design, custom size. Alright, so the dimension is here already, 12.52 times by 9.25. So I'll just click on that. Okay, so this is it. This is the interface. This is not what I want. Okay, I'll click on the plus sign. I'll click on upload. Look down here, you see upload there, right? So I'll click on uploads, then I'll upload a media, then I'll click on device displays. Still loading. Okay, document. So I'll just upload from the recent file, just this. Why does that? Still coming up. So I'll tap on this. So so all I need to do now is just to expand this. Expand the down one as well. So let me fit it. It's not yet on the border. Alright, perfect. It's now perfect. Okay, so then I'll click on download, save as PDF print. Then that's it. So I believe with this video I've been able to answer the question on how to design paperback with your phone. This is quite easier than using your system to design, because with this at first you don't have to make use of your data when designing with Pixel Lab, and then after that you just come over here and put whatever you did in Pixel Lab and then quickly upload up to this point. Alright, so if you find value in this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. This actually encourages me to post more videos like this that will help in your KDP journey. Alright, thank you.